am officially joining Gilas, the Philippine national team. I'm heading home soon. Sobrang excited ako na binigyan ng opportunity para makapaglaro sa Gilas ngayong February window.
The root cause of hype is hope. Isa na namang gwapo at gwapang araw sa inyong lahat. Ilang araw na rin nating pinagtutuunan ng pansin ang pagbabalik ni Kai Sotto sa Pilipinas to play for the Gilas basketball national team. And this decision of Kai Sotto to play for the Gilas generated different opinions. Some are in favor, while many raise eyebrows. Kung saan magsisimula na ang napakatagal ng hinihintay na NBA bubble, ay he chose to play for Gilas over the NBA G League na kung saan ito ang kanyang present team ngayon. In fact, hindi na umattend si Kai Sotto sa mga practices ng NBA G League Team Ignite at nag-iensayo na lang siya privately with EWP boys at dahil dito ay magkakaroon tayo ng very strong team against Korea and if matutuloy talaga si Kai Sotto ay ito ang kanyang first game sa FIBA Seniors playing for Gilas Pilipinas. And what a way to play his debut against Gilas Pilipinas arch rival South Korea. This is very exciting times for Philippine basketball pero hindi rin natin mapipigilan ang iba na nasasayangan dahil they feel na mas mabuti na sa G-League na lang sana si Kai Sotto maglalaro mga gwapo. But before that, ay meron po tayong pag-giveaway. 50,000 strong subscribers. Malapit na. At malapit na rin nating maibigay ang ating pag-giveaways bilang pasasalamat sa inyong patuloy na pagtangkilik sa ating mga videos. Yes, we will be giving 2 pairs of Nike shoes to 2 lucky subscribers. All you need to do is to watch this video at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel Express Info at pakisubscribe na rin sa ating bagong sports channel na My Sports Balita. And don't forget to leave a positive comment about the basketball career ni Kai Sotto or anything about sa ating topic. Dahil sa mga comments tayo kukuha ng 2 lucky winners. Kaya subscribe na! We will be giving the Nike shoes pag aabot na tayo na 50k subscribers. So, please like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell para updated ka sa bagong mga videos. Pero para sa atin dito sa Express Info ay suportado natin ang lahat ng mga decisions ni Kai Sotto dahil for sure mas nakakaalam siya kung ano ang mas nakakabuti sa kanyang basketball career. And until now ay wala pa namang official announcement galing sa NBA G League kung kailan talaga ang date ng NBA G League bubble. All schedules are tentative at sana hindi pa magsisimula ang G League sa early February para walang conflict of schedule. At kung matutuloy talaga ang G League bubble sa early February ay nakasiguro naman tayo na walang magiging problema dahil merong go signal galing sa NBA G League ang paglalaro ni Kai Sotto sa FIBA third window. But the only problem ay he will not be able to join the Team Ignite sa mga games nila sa NBA G League which is malaking tulong sana sa draft stock ni Kai Sotto. Pero marami rin naman ang nasasabing playing for Gilas is the right choice dahil dito maipakita ni Kai Sotto ang kanyang real worth at hindi magiging bench player lang. Well, hopefully ay magagamit si Kai Sotto sa Gilas dahil usually sa mga past Gilas games ay nakasentro ang laro sa mga guards. And it remains to be seen how Coach Tab Baldwin will use Kai Sotto. The only way na magagamit ng husto si Kai Sotto sa Gilas is to play like Andre Blatch, na siguro naman kayang-kaya na niya. Ang basketball phenom na 7'3" na si Kai Sotto, who is on a path of becoming the first native-born son of the Philippines to play in the NBA, mas pinili niya na maglararo para sa Filipino national team. The Gilas, hindi sa NBA G League bubble kung saan magsisimula ito next month sa Orlando kasabay ng Gilas bubble sa Clark. So, instead nasasali si Kai Sotto sa NBA G League ngayong January 26 with the Ignite team, mas pinili niya na maglalaro sa Gilas para sa laro nito laban ng Korea sa darating na February 18 and February 22 at sa Indonesia naman sa February 20. The G League agreed for me to meet my previous commitments to play for the national team, Sotto said via direct message. They have asked for me to immediately report back to the bubble after my last national team game. Si Kai Sotto ay merong full support ng NBA G League as he sets out to make his Gilas Pilipinas debut in the third window of the 2021 FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers. The G League approved for him to play for the national team and asked him to immediately rejoin Ignite team after the last game of Gilas, sabi ng East West Private CEO Maria Espaldon. East West Private, EWP, which handles Kai Soto's career, told that the 18-year-old wonderkind secured a clearance from the league to suit up for the national team, which would run side by side with the developmental league's bubble in Orlando. Ayon kay Espaldon, na si Kai Soto and the rest of his party ay expected na lilipad galing United States patungong Pilipinas anytime as they await the green light from the Samahang Basketball na Pilipinas, SBP. We were planning to be back in the Philippines by this week, but we're just awaiting the final go signal from the SBP, pahayag ni Espaldon. Once Kai Soto arrives in the Philippines, I expected na mag-join siya sa Gilas training at Inspire Sports Academy in Calamba, Laguna, where he'll have to immediately forge chemistry with a mix of PBA veterans led by Kiefer Ravenna and CJ Perez and cadets led by Justin Baltazar. At pagkatapos ng Gilas Games, NBA G League expects Soto to fly out the country back to the US immediately, and upon arrival mag-undergo siya ng mandatory 14-day quarantine. The G League has yet to issue a full schedule, but 4B Sports Money reported last month that players will travel to the site in Orlando on January 26, kung saan ang training camps opening ay sa January 29 at magsisimula ang laro sa February 8. At ang playoffs naman ay magaganap on March 5 to 9. Sabi ng G League source sa Philstar, ng desisyon ni Kai Soto na maglalaro ng Gilas ay may maliit lang na possibility or tsansa na makarejoin siya sa Ignite Bubble sa Orlando. Unfortunately, this very likely means Kai will miss our single-site competition in Orlando due to health and safety protocols, as a quarantine period would be required after his international return, the source told Philstar. Depending on what the official dates of the competition are, there is a very small window that Kai Soto could potentially join the Ignite team if he desired and if Ignite was to make the playoffs, the source added. The NBA earlier used a 4-day quarantine period for players entering the Orlando bubble and a 14-day isolation period for players testing positive for COVID-19. So, dapat merong dalawang negative test results ang player na merong 24 hours ang pagitan bawat test bago pa ang player makakasama ulit sa kanyang team. At ang G League will likely follow the same protocols na pinapatupad ng NBA. The earliest Soto can rejoin Ignite is towards the end of February or the last week of eliminations if he clears the health and safety protocols. Mamimiss ng 18-year-old na si Kai Soto ang opportunity na ma-scout siya in an NBA-level environment. The NBA has pushed for a G League season to showcase Ignite, the inaugural Pro Pathway program. With the US NCAA already underway, the draft prospects that opted for a G League over a one-and-done college season are already behind in terms of exposure. Soto has yet to break into any of the mock drafts of major sports publications in the US. Sa makatwid, all signs are uuwi na talaga si Kai Soto dahil meron na siyang official announcement sa kanyang Instagram account. Nagsalita na rin ang SBP pati ng EWP. At meron pang lumabas sa Philstar na isang NBA G League insider raw ang nag-confirm na lalaro talaga si Kai Soto for Gilas, kaya lang small window na lang ang possibility na makakalaro si Kai Soto sa G League bubble depending on the final date kung kailan ito magsisimula. And if that is not enough, ay meron pang tweet si Matt Evans, isang podcast host ng NBA Call-Ups, na hindi na raw umattend si Kai Soto sa mga practices ng NBA G League, mga gwapo.